Well, that ain't good. All right, guys, so I'm going to attempt to take my ECU out of my Type R, my baby. I'm taking your brain out. I'm gonna do some brain surgery. I was gonna pay the performance guy to do it for me so we can send it off to Hondata and get it jailbroken and then get the Flash Pro. But I've watched several YouTube videos and I feel confident I can do it. It looks like, you know, you take off the negative battery terminal, unhook a couple other wires or harnesses. And then I think there's like 4 deep 10mm bolts down there that I gotta get to with a deep socket, which I think I have. And then once I get that out, then there's 4 bolts on the case, I believe. Take that off, that should be pretty simple. And then go box this thing up. I have an hour and 15 minutes. It's Saturday if I want to get to FedEx and get it there by Monday morning. If I'm there after 4 p.m. today, they'll get it there by Tuesday. But my goal is to get it out, film this process real quick or parts of it, fill out the paperwork, run up to FedEx, and ship it out. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, what a work of art. Okay, so I gotta take that off. Here it is. I see 1 bolt down there. Where's the other one? I'm already intimidated.
You got this. You got this.
So I pop this off first. Okay, there it is. I know they pride these things. Come all the way off or just loosen. It's these little details that always trip me out. I don't think you need to take it all the way off. I don't think. Just kidding. Watch me get shocked for real. It's like so easy when they do it on the camera. Ah, success. Open these all the way up. Oh yeah, pop right on out. Okay, I see one of the bolts down there. I'm trying to see where this other bolt is that's supposed to be deep down in here. Now this is in the way. If there's another bolt way down there. All right, hold on. First things first. Will this damn thing reach that deep down? I don't know, guys. This is sketch. Damn it. Not long enough. Now I have to improvise. Shit. Extension piece. This thing, look how loose and crap that is.
Piece of shit.
All right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? I think that did it. How in the hell am I gonna be able to piece this back together way down there? That part's gonna frustrate the shit out of me. Okay, you can come out anytime now. It's not yet. Can almost reach it. And this is the most ghetto ass socket. I think this was like somebody, oh shit. Well, that ain't good. Dropped it, guys.
How the fuck did you do that?
Well, that's gonna be fun trying to find that freaking piece of crap. Does that one come off? I don't know if that's, I think this one might come off. Yeah, this tool, this socket, I think it was part of one of those like pink Barbie kits that people give girls for Christmas to put in their car as like a emergency thing. Okay, maybe this bolt is identical to that bolt. So if I do lose it forever, I can go to the hardware store and show this to those dudes and they can match it up accordingly. Okay, I think this is that clip he was talking about. Do I take it off or, because the guy that did the video said he had to put the camera down to do this. Do I push that out or leave it in, or do I just take this off? I mean, theoretically, I could just leave it and try to get these bolts. 316. Oh shit, dude. I gotta hurry if I'm gonna make this happen. She said by 4 o'clock. I got 45 minutes, guys. Get this shit out. Print out the form. Fill it out. Take it to FedEx and try to get this thing there by Monday. If it gets there Tuesday, whatever, but it would be cool if it got there Monday because I really would like to have my car back. We'll get that back fast, then take it to the performance shop guy and install all the parts, which that'll be a separate video of what I got and what I want to do. And then maybe I can have it back by next weekend. That would be ideal. Always that one bolt that you think you got and there's like 20 more turns. This one's a little bit more out of the way. Damn it, but I can do it. Oh, wait, don't fall. I know, I'm doing brain surgery without having gone to medical school. Just look at it like holistic medicine. How about that? Got it. One more, guys. One more bolt. I hate these clip thingies. I think there's some clips on this case once I get it out. And I hate plastic clips that they say pry apart because I've broken so many before. And once you break that little piece of plastic, it's like rendered useless. So I'm nervous. Almost, guys. I still gotta find that bolt later. I heard it hit something and stop. It didn't just hit the ground, unfortunately. And there goes another one. I dropped two. I suck so bad. Oh my gosh, guys, check it. I got that son of a bitch out. I cannot believe it. She didn't like that. She's like, put my damn brain back in, bitch. And there's the plastic clips. Shit. Why couldn't those be bolts too? All right, let me find. You son of a bitch. Guys, there it is. That is the brain. All right. Oh, it's hot. Well, I drove it a little while ago. Duh. Bosh. I can make spark plugs or something. I can make a bunch of stuff. Anyway, it's out.
Trelay did it all by herself.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm on the way to FedEx. I have 23 minutes. It's only 6-7 minutes up the road, so it should be fine. You might be asking yourself, Lacey, why are you rushing? So why did you wait till the last minute? Well, my plan was to take it out and take my time and leisurely do it today and then take it in Monday morning to FedEx to ship it out. And then I started thinking about how long I'm going to be without my car. So I Googled, cutoff times for FedEx. And it said if you can get there by 4 on Saturday, you can ship it out and have it arrive in California by Monday. So, and I know, what is it? The performance place, aftermarket parts. Two-step performance in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. I know they will handle things too, for a charge, of course. But if I'm going to spend the money and FedEx it, and it's my baby, it's the brain of my baby, so I'm just going to ship it to Hondata directly and have a little bit more peace of mind. No disrespect to you guys at Two-Step. I'm sure you have a strict protocol and a clean track record, I would think. But in this case, I just go straight to California. Anyway, so yeah, that's why I just at the last minute said, you know what, I can make this happen. I can do this, and I did. I lost 2 bolts in the process. I didn't lose them. I misplaced them. I just drove through not deep in some cavity that I can't reach, where I'll have to take the whole damn engine apart to get these bolts. But I seriously doubt that's the case. And if it is, all is not lost. They make other 10mm bolts, so I will be fine. Here we go. Let's go ship her. I'm good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You too. Bye-bye. Ooh, I did it, guys. Oh shit, wrong way. Oh, that's a one-way street. Just a little blonde. Yes, I did it. It was to get it to California by, she said 5:30 p.m. would be $160 for $173, 13 more bucks. Woohoo! Spending that much anyway, so it'll be there by like 10:30 in the morning. So paid the 13 extra bucks, and it is sending off today. It'll be on a plane, I guess. And hopefully I can get this back. We'll see how fast Hondata can turn it back around and get it to me.
I was marooned on an island.
I'm proud of myself. I cannot believe I got that shit out. I'm so happy. Now I gotta put it back in when I get it back. And that's the extent of my mechanical abilities, I think. I'm not gonna attempt anything else. So when I get it back, I'll film that, put it back, and make sure the car starts back up and doesn't self-destruct. And there's no crazy check engine lights or anything. But Hondata said you don't have to go do anything right away. We'll jailbreak it, give it back to you, put it right back in. You're good. There's no rush on when you do whatever you do to your car. So, yeah, it's done. Stay tuned, guys, for part 2. Bye.